Hello everyone, welcome to the BigCommerce API series. Today I will show you how to retrieve and create products channel assignments. We will start with retrieving all products channel assignments. First, you need to select a workspace and then open a new request tab. Next, choose Get and add this URL in the box next to it. Remember to replace the store hash with the store hash of your BigCommerce store. Then, fill in the information in the header. Information includes accept, content type, XAuth token, finally, you just need to press the send button to send the request. And as you can see at the bottom of the screen, all the products channel assignments are fully listed. We have just completed the steps to retrieve all products channel assignments. Next, I will show you how to create a new products channel assignment. First, we need to change get command to put. Keep URLs and headers intact. Moving on to the body section, we need to declare the information of the products channel assignments that we need to create. Here is my example. Press send to send the request. Once done, try to retrieve all the products channel assignments again to see if the products channel assignments we just created have been updated. Change the put command to get and then press send. Now to check if the results appear in new products channel assignments. As you can see, this is the products channel assignments that I just created. So we have successfully created a new products channel assignment.